this is part 3 of Hurricane Irma. This is the aftermath. This is Monday. There's a lot of leaves on the ground. It's a little bit gusty, but it's not as much. There's also a big lake there, still a lake. Well, over here, see, there's barely any water. That's weird. Okay, there were a lot of trees that have fallen out, and I mean a lot. Let me show you some. This is one of the trees that have fallen down. It's very weird how it fell down, because you can see it didn't fall like any normal tree. The thing is just plain. It looked like it just cut off or we pulled off the roots. Well, a little bit, but yeah. Let's go on to the next one. This is a next tree. This is a big tree. This tree was so big, it was like a shade. Every time my friends go fishing, they always get their nets stuck there. Like once happened to me. Well, here the roots didn't come out, but the land did. Pretty much the roots did come out, but it got stuck to the land. So it just fell like this. My next to it is another one right there. That one, well, it just fell. I don't know from where, because I haven't seen that tree in that area, because that area right there is super plain, right there. Area right there is super plain, but the tree just fell down, so it's weird. Okay, little side note. This tree right here was on a little ass rock. Not like too small, but like the size of 4 human heads. A little island right next to this area. So what happened was the hurricane came and the waves, well, it rained a lot, so now it's under sea level. Hopefully it dries up and then we can see that island again, because usually turtles get on that.